In this YouTube video, I want to answer the question, how can you assure that you're not infringing on anyone's copyright when using PLR content? Hi, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. Please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. And I would love if you would hit the notification bell so every time that I upload a new video, you will receive the notification. On this channel, we talk about writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, being a UGC creator, passive cryptocurrency, and digital products. So here's how you can make sure that you're not infringing on any copyrights when it comes to PLR content. Make sure that you read the license term. Make sure that you understand the terms and conditions of the PLR license before using the content. You can find most RPLR sites have their terms and conditions at the bottom of their website. Okay, they will also have it on their products. I know, like with Coach Glue, they also reiterate when you purchase, they put their license term inside of the folder when you download the product. This will also help you to avoid any restrictions or limitations on how the content can be used, modified, or distributed. Modify the content. This is what I say in all of my videos, to make sure that when you're using PLR content, that you rebrand it for yourself, add your own insight, your opinions, your expertise. This can also help you to prevent copyright infringement by creating original content. Check for plagiarism. There are some websites out there that you can check for plagiarism. Grammarly is one of those. I think you can do that when you upgrade your subscription. When you use that checker, it also makes sure that the content you purchase is not copied. Okay, and make sure that you can avoid that copyright infringement to ensure that the content is original. Attribute the source. You can also use PLR content as a resource on for your own content. So you can, if you're not making any changes, you can attribute the source. You can basically let them know where the original content came from or mention the original author. If you plan to use that type of PLR content where you cannot make any type of changes. You can also use royalty-free images and graphics. If you use images or graphics in your PLR content, make sure they are royalty-free and not subject to copyright protection. I also listed below in the description Pixie Stock. Pixie Stock has original royalty-free, no copyrights when it comes to their images and graphics, because their images and graphics are created with in-house. They use their own models, and you can definitely sign up for Pixie Stock. That's where I use all of my free graphics or images, especially on my website with my blogs. They come from Pixie Stock. So I want to hear from you. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments about PLR content. Are you using PLR content? If so, also let us know, how's it going for you? How do you use it?